Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Traveller in the Allure specification. So this is an 8-seater vehicle that comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof. There's electric sliding side doors, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got leather interior. The front seats are both heated with massage function. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with speed limiter and even blind spot detection. So let's have a look around. Traveller's got the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 9,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.